Okay, so we have a major problem. The car won't start at all. When you turn it, it doesn't start, and look. Can't get the key out no matter what. It's stuck. I don't know what's the deal. But, yeah.
I think that's anything.
So the noise stops whenever the brake.
What it's doing?
Okay, stuff is happening. He's making stuff spark, and the lights are came back on. Whoa. Whoa. It's weird sounds.
How's everything look?
Okay, see if it'll start. Okay. We just need to let it charge for a long time here.
Okay guys, so we're back now, and so there's a major electrical problem now. I don't know what we did, but something's very, very wrong. So we gotta now find out a way to fix it. It's a bummer. Something happened. Maybe we nicked something when we filed this in. There's like a little green circuit board or something. Something's not right. Something is really not right. This car's not starting. And the lights are, something's bad. Something is bad. Okay, so the car will not start now, and we're gonna have to check the battery voltage.
And we're right at the 10 amp mark. That's 10 amps right there. Not the red, but that's a 10 amps. So we're pulling about 9 amps, which is a lot.
I would, we can just let it stay in there.
How old is the battery?
You gotta get the negative.
Well, you know, batteries die in the winter.
Yeah, that could be it. It could be the battery.
No, you don't. Go ahead and hook it back up. 2 amps.
It's very cold.
8 cycles. Draw.
That shouldn't zap that way.
Well, it's just dead, is what it is.
Something electrical.
Is that the turn signal?
No, that's what was happening before. It had,
Dad, tell him how we failed, Dad. Tell him.
who's that? Tell who?
The YouTube.
Well, it appears that something electrical has not come back to normal the way it should. And we're trying to eliminate things as best as we can without getting way over our heads.
Yeah.
We know the light bar works, but we started to have symptoms like the battery was dead.
You have 3 wires that run into the cab, right? To switch on and off for the light. Then you connect to the light, and then everything goes to these 2 posts, right? Which I was putting right on the battery. We hooked it up. The light was working. Yep. We turned it on and off. The light bar was working. Everything was great. And then we went to turn the car on, and that's what happened. Yeah, I didn't have enough juice though. And well, we were worried about it because we drilled a little hole in there to put that switch in. And then we had to pull the wires through it. And we thought maybe we'd nick something. But I've gone through and we've been like looking for stuff that was loose or hanging or whatnot, and there's nothing.
Okay guys, now the car works. And we're just gonna hook the light bar back up to the battery, and hopefully we'll go from there. Okay, so we're gonna see if it works now. Gotta cross your fingers. Yay! Finally! Okay. This is what it looks like with no light bar. Okay, you can turn it on now. Wow, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look at that red light. That is amazing. Here, keep driving.
Off. On.
Watch your mailbox. Yeah. That's awesome. You can drive with it on unless there's a car. Really lights up everything. Look at that.
Turn it on.
Look at that.
A boy and his toys. It really is like two boys though.
Hey, throw it up, ain't cool.
Isn't that amazing though?
Yeah, it really is.
That's awesome, huh?
Look at that.
What if we do the muffler at the same time? Can I do that? Can I rev it?
Well, yeah, you can rev it if you want.
Yes.
The button, the red button right there. Push it.
Okay. This button?
Yes, up.
Oh my goodness.
And look, see how it glows red? Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Look at that.
So
Look how bright it is.
what happens if I'm not supposed to use this?
Not
Right?
no road at all. Can't be on like the highway or
What
no
about
public
when
road.
I'm going by people's houses?
I mean you can, but don't just like aim it at their house, you know?
I mean, if anybody was walking on the street, they would be.
Yeah, if you see
blind.
walkers, turn it off. If you see cars, turn it off. Even if you're behind a car.
I love it.
Look at
It's so great. You can see the whole
that. The
forest.
whole yard.
No more coyote attacks.